All right, this is John and Parita. Here we are. We made it out here to the coast. This is 100 Islands. Look out there. You can see the islands. We're going to be taking a boat, and right now, here's all the family. They're all getting signed up and registered. That way they identify everybody that's going out, and which is really great because they get a discount for being residents of like this barangay or this county or district or province of Pangasinan. And we have lots of vendors which are selling these sandals, and we have also some really nice some Under Armour gear on one of them here, probably going to pick up a few of those to bring back to Colorado. But yeah, so I'm really excited to just be out here and to smell the ocean. This reminds me of my days on Galveston Island. All right, well, keep watching. We're all getting registered and getting signed in, and then we're going to head out on a boat, and we're going to be going out to those islands out there. We're going to travel around in the islands, and I'll try to make some good videos for you all. Love you. God bless you.